Hi, this is John with WTI, and I like to use lotions for my dry skin. I have the situation that I would have to use a lot of lotion for my skin to be hydrated. I live in a hot and dry country. Sometimes dry, sometimes humid. Is a it's always changing. It's complicated. But if I'm trying to be well moisturized in the sun, in all these climate changes that happens in my country, this Herhens body lotion, ultra. It's just great. It's always gonna give you moisturize. And the one of the things that I like about the most about this lotion is that it's low scent, not too much, not too overpowering, but at the same time, it's gonna keep you well moisturized. Your skin is gonna have this smooth feeling, and it's gonna give you this glowing sensation that is not going to be too greasy, but at the same time, it's gonna give everything that your body needs for that occasion. If you're looking for a great option for moisturizing lotion for every day, this one is a great deal. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.